And now it's time for Vantage shots, images that tell the story. In Italy, the wanderlust bug seems to have bit a circus lion as it embarked on a night tour of a city near Rome. It was later caught after a 7-hour hunt. In Iceland, residents brace for a volcanic eruption as 900 earthquakes hit the southern part of the island on Monday. And a fuming Novak Djokovic snapped 2 rackets during his match in Italy. Finally, we are taking you back in history. On this day in 1970, Hafez Al-Assad seized power in Syria in a bloodless military coup. He replaced his political mentor as Syria's leader. His son Bashar al-Assad is the current president of Syria. We leave you on that note. Thank you for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.
Quanto cavolo! Arancia, l'abbiamo davanti casa. Dove sta la fiamma?
Novak, de Østbøver.
It's the dream of every cricketer, the ultimate glory. Few manage to keep their date with destiny. But for many, it's been heartbreaks and a cross to bear. The Holy Grail is here in India. I'm Rupa Ramani and Firstpost brings you the ringside view. We bring you the Cup of Dreams, Cricket World Cup coverage like never before.